Bought and tested two of Amazon's most popular bug eliminators, we'll call it, and they prevent. And these two did a great job. We had an ant thing going on about 2-3 weeks ago, I think, and we got both of these to test them out. Main reason we got these is because we have a dog, and this is fine with dogs. Don't have to worry about that. It's made of essential oils and stuff like that. So this one right over here is going to be our the Wondercide, and this one right over here is going to be the stem. I'm going to go over each one of them. They are very similar, but also very different. There are some major differences. Which would be the one for you? You could probably tell a couple of differences. Let's start with this one right over here. So this one right over here, this is going to be good for mosquitoes, ants, flies, all that kind of stuff. And this also prevents. So that's a big bonus with this one right over here. So when we had the ant problem, we literally, what you do, you get this, shake it up a little bit, connect your hose to it. And then what you're going to do, I thought that you'd pull this back. It actually goes forward. You got to take this tab right over here. You pull this back a little bit, and then you push this forward, or back rather, and then it just sprays a mist just like that. So we do this on our back right over here because we have a wooded area right over here. This will keep well for about 4-ish weeks. That's what the listing says. We've only had it for 3 weeks. So I don't know. We haven't had any issues in 3 weeks. So maybe we will respray. But once this hits the bugs, they're done. So just note that if you have like an ant situation or mosquitoes or whatever, and it also goes and gets rid of like the nests and all that kind of stuff. So like the colonies, so you don't have to worry about that. We just had a ton of rain and then a bunch of ants were there. So we just sprayed that and it was totally fine after that. And then it kind of got in the ground around it and there were no more ants. So really like the fact that you just literally hook this up and you'll see right back here, you do mosquitoes, ants, fleas, ticks, crickets, Japanese beetles, all that stuff, and gnats. Now we got this one right over here. So this is the stem right over here. This literally just comes exactly like this. You don't need a hose or anything like that. You literally just spray it. And you see you got like a little mist right over there. This one right over here has like a citronella smell. This one is also natural oils, safe for pets and all that kind of stuff. And then you have this. This does ants, roaches, and flies. Really simple to use. A big difference, well, we'll go over the difference in just a second. So for this one right over here, it does not eliminate them on contact. So what will happen is you see a fly or something like that, you spray it, it's going to go down to the ground. And then it kind of like takes a little bit, maybe like a minute or so, and then that's kind of it. So it's not instant. So just know that. And then it does leave a little residue. So in this case, it doesn't matter because it's on the grass. But like if you're using this inside, you just want to wipe it up with a paper towel so the floor isn't slippery. So what are kind of the main differences between the two of these and which would be a better fit for you? So this one right here, probably going to be a better fit for you, in my opinion, with this one right over here. This is kind of for in the moment. This doesn't prevent kind of bugs coming back. It's more like right in the moment. You see it, you spray it, it knocks it down, and it kind of eliminates it. And you could just kind of use it however you want. So that's this one right here. Really easy to set up and use. This one right over here is going to be good for you if you want to take care of more stuff. Gnats, mosquitoes, ants, the whole thing. This eliminates the bugs right on contact. That's a big difference between the two of these. Another big difference between the two of these, this one you could use in a garden, a vegetable garden, like around it. Obviously you want to wash whatever you eat. You should be doing that anyway. This one is not recommended to do that. So just know that if you're this is not good for plants. This one, you could do it. I'm not saying you should spray it directly, but like if it's around, it's not a big deal. This one also needs a hose. This was really easy to hook up though. Like I was surprised. Usually when you get stuff like this, like the water is always like leaking out and it's super annoying. Not the case with this one right over here. So really like that. And this one prevents for about 4 different weeks. So if you're kind of in like a woodsy area like I am, this is kind of what we're using most of the time because we want to prevent the bugs, mosquitoes, all that stuff. So we love to be outside in this backyard, and so does our dog. And that's one of the main reasons we got this. So you can't go wrong with either one of these. It just really depends on how you want to use it. If you want to prevent things coming and you have a hose, I'd say this would be the one for you. If you want just to have something, you know, you're at a screen door, you see a fly, you just want to spray it with something like this, let it knock down, this would be the one for you. If you found this helpful, give this a thumbs up, and I hope this takes care of your bugs needs.